Ever wondered how Zelle works when you share a bank account with someone else? You and your spouse, your roommate, or a business partner, you've got a joint account, and you both use Zelle. Who gets the money? Who's in control? That's the exact situation we're clearing up today, because while Zelle is fast and easy, joint accounts add a layer of complexity you need to understand to avoid miscommunication, or worse, misplaced funds. Zelle is a great peer-to-peer payment platform, but here's the key rule: Zelle links a unique ID to one, and only one, bank account at a time. And that ID is your email address or your U.S. mobile phone number. When you link Zelle to a joint checking account through your bank's app, Zelle doesn't care who the names on the account are, it's focused on the primary contact information used for enrollment. So, here's the essential scenario. The joint account has two owners, owner A and owner B. Owner A enrolls with Zelle first, using their personal email address and their phone number. Both contact points are now permanently tied to the joint bank account. Now, a friend sends money to owner B's phone number. What happens? Nothing. Why? Because owner B's phone number isn't enrolled to any Zelle account yet, or it's enrolled to their personal account at a different bank. This brings us to the most important takeaway: coordination is key. For a joint account to work smoothly with Zelle, you and the other account holder need to decide which contact point belongs to the joint account. You have two main options for setting up your unique Zelle IDs. Option 1, divide and conquer. Designate one person's contact info, like owner A's phone number or their email, to be the official Zelle contact for the joint account. The money sent to that number or email will always land in the joint account. This is clean and simple. Option 2, use all available IDs. Zelle allows you to enroll with both a unique U.S. mobile phone number and a unique email address. You could assign owner A's phone number to the joint account, owner B's email address to the joint account. This gives you two unique receiving IDs that both deposit into the joint account. What you cannot do is have owner A's phone number linked to the joint account and also have owner B's phone number linked to the same joint account. Your phone number is your personal, unique Zelle key. Final point on safety: because Zelle is an instant transfer from the joint account, both owners have the ability to send money and drain the balance. This is why you should only use Zelle with people you know and trust. The platform offers no protection if you authorize a payment and don't receive what you paid for. So, talk to your co-owner, decide which digital ID owns that joint account link, and keep your communication clear. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.